Most people think privacy screen guards are only for crowded places like in the metro or office, when you don't want strangers snooping at your screen. But honestly, there's another use case nobody really talks about. Your kids. Yep, toddlers and little detectives always craning their necks to see what you're doing on your phone in bed. And that's actually the reason we bought this Mr. Shield privacy screen guard for my wife's iPhone 15 Plus. Now, this one's from Amazon and it costs about 500 rupees. That's a bit higher than your regular tempered glass. But honestly, when I got the package, I could see why. It comes in this really sleek cardboard box which already feels premium. And by the way, don't trust the printed MRP. It's always inflated just for show. Inside the box, we have got a thank you card, a 3-month warranty card, and even some QR codes if you want to share feedback. But the real fun begins with the toolkit. You get a microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, dust absorbing stickers and guide stickers. Pretty standard stuff. But here's the game changer. It comes with a plastic installation case. This case is designed so you just place the phone inside and it aligns the tempered glass perfectly. Now yes, it's single use, which feels a bit wasteful, but if it guarantees a bubble-free, stress-free installation, totally worth it. Before we start, here's a pro tip. Always wash your hands with soap. You don't want oily fingers or dead skin cells ending up on the screen during installation. So I gave the phone a proper cleaning. First with the wet wipe, then dried it off with a microfiber cloth. And finally use the dust removal stickers to pick up those tiny stubborn specks. The phone screen itself already had a couple of scratches from years of use, which of course can't be fixed, but apart from that it was spotless. One more thing, I switched the iPhone off before continuing because the screen loves to keep lighting up with every touch, and that just makes the whole process more annoying. Now for the exciting part, the installation. I opened the plastic installation case, placed the iPhone inside and pressed it in gently. At first, I pushed a bit too much and noticed the power button kept toggling on and off. So here's the trick. Don't force it, just let it rest naturally in the case. And here's where it gets really clever. With the case still closed, I pulled out the strip that removes the protective film from the tempered glass. The film slid right out and the tempered glass instantly began to settle onto the phone screen all by itself. No alignment struggles, no fiddling with edges, no chasing air bubbles with a credit card. When I opened the case, done. The screen guard was perfectly fitted with no bubbles, no dust underneath, nothing. I honestly couldn't believe how easy it was. The only mark I saw was my own fingerprint when I pressed to double check it was stuck. That's it. Easily one of the smoothest installs I have ever done. Once I removed the top sticker layer and took the phone out, I checked all the edges. Everything was perfectly snug. Now came the real test, the privacy filter. And wow, it works brilliantly. The moment you tilt the phone around 25 to 30 degrees, the display goes completely black from the side. Straight on, it looks crisp and clear, but anyone sitting beside you, they see nothing but a dark screen. And yes, I also tested Face ID right after, and it works exactly the same as before. No lag, no recognition issues. Of course, the main reason we bought this was for our kids. So I called my little ones and just let them try to peek at it. From the side, from the above, from below, nothing. He had to align his face perfectly in front of the screen just to see anything. That's when I realized this is more than just a privacy screen. It's a parenting hack. No more kids snooping on your WhatsApp messages or asking, "Papa, what are you watching?" when you're scrolling through memes. So is it worth the 500 rupees? Honestly, yes. The packaging feels premium, the toolkit is complete, and the installation is unbelievably simple thanks to that plastic case. The privacy filter itself works exactly as advertised. Black from the side, clear from the front. The only small downside? That installation case is single use, which does feel like extra plastic waste. But if it guarantees a perfect bubble-free fit in under a minute, I would still say it's worth it. Alright, that's been my experience installing the Mr. Shield privacy screen guard on the iPhone 15 Plus. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and if you have ever had your kids or strangers snooping on your phone, let me know your story in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.